here you go. It's condensed wool gel. This, I want to show you this. This is super adorable. It had like a 3D crystal on it. So clients basically had one, but two. It's so durable. And when you have it, it stay on the client's nails, unless they're really using hammer to like take it off. It's not gonna go anywhere.
So Rosa, all these are live right now. Just go into our $5 nail art section. You see them right there.
So condensed wool gels, you can just blend it, and like you don't need a whole lot, unless you're doing your 3D crystals. And no wipe top coat. I am showing today is really like a simple basics, how you play this one without have to worry about doing a 3D. Like some clients don't like 3D. Absolutely, you can do this in a flat right in. It's still 3D, but you don't have to like place them in like 2-3 different crystal. I think I have some fur right there. Here we go. Floating on the top, right there. It's really hard to see it, but it's there. All right, are we taking pink?
Yes.
Pink right now. So this one's really cool. You can do either like the little petals top or down. It's up to you. Whatever, however you would like it. It looks cute either way, and it's so nice that it's curved in the back, so it's like right on the top of the nails without any like feeling like it's get a lot of gaps. So I can't even like using my fingers and place this. See how nice it is? Yep, usually when this is $40 at our salon, there's $30 nails. If you add some foil on and design like this, and you can add some more crystal as you prefer or depend on how you're doing for the clients, and the clients love it. Look at that, how this one will stay on. You see how the bases stay nice, and then you can seal all the precision glue along with this. How many of you have the clients asking for 3D designs and you couldn't like do it? What? Not like you can't do it, just take a little bit more time, and you can't like fulfill the request right at that time. They think that it could be making few minutes, but actually this one it take, because I did that before. When I have a spare time, I usually mix bunch of them, but it take a long time. Some of the flower like this take me almost an hour. So that is start from one flowers at $15. And then when they start doing 3D and then crystals along with this, will take at least $30 for that. So make sure you charge accordingly, and clients gonna be thrilled if you have this offer them. Look at the Condensed detail. This is really simple, basic. I didn't want to do like overwhelming us, because I am gonna get overwhelming as well, because I love those flowers. And so, oh my god, I can't wait. And I look at on the size, looks like a brooch. I'm gonna put I just wiped off part of it earlier because of that pearl, so I'm gonna like touch it up, wipe off on the side, and cure this guys for 60 seconds. And it stays really nice. You can move it, you know, like right the way you want it. Look at on this side and then that side. All right. I'm so in love with this. You see that we did in like what? No time, right? You can move it up and down. It doesn't matter. It's come with like the roses that you see yesterday come in 18 different colors. You have all the colors that your is favorite color. Hello, Rosie. Hey, hi, Gypsy. How are you? Sabri.
Let us see the back.
And here's a back. It's so, like, it's go right into my nail. Oh, let me see if I have some here. It stays, like, really right curve on my nails with the C-curve you're building. It's not flat, so then it's not going to, minimums of the gap in there. Even the butterfly, same thing. The back is curved as well. So it doesn't like, it's not, you don't have to using like a frame bender. This one is already bent ready for you. And I've been using baby mixture for like quite a few days now, and it doesn't do anything. Like it doesn't make a dent at all. All right, so we did with this all of this design. I am so excited today. And here's come with different colors. You know, feel free to check them out. There's so many colors. That's pretty. And more to come. I am going